Question number 1. This is single answer type question. Only one correct option. Belongs to section 1, paper 1 of 2019 JEE Advanced. Very simple question. Look here. The area of the region set up on xy such that xy less than or equal to 8, 1 less than or equal to y less than or equal to x square is first option, second, third, fourth options are given. Look here, xy less than or equal to 8, that is a rectangular hyperbola. Xy equal to 8 is a rectangular hyperbola that lie in first quadrant and fourth quadrant like this. Next, y equal to x square, 1 less than or equal to y less than or equal, y equal to x square, that is a upward parabola, x square equal to 4ay like this. These two are intersect. These two are intersect at the point 2, 4. 2, 4. This point is 2, 4. Now here, xy less than or equal to 8 means downward between these two curves. Xy equal to 8, xy equal to 8, between these two. Next, 1 less than or equal to y less than or equal to x square, that is above the line y greater than or equal to 1 and outside the parabola, above the line. The common region is this. So this area can be evaluated in two types, two ways. There are two methods to solve that one. One is with respect to y. Look here, it is y. For example, between these two lines, it is y equal to 1, it is y equal to 4. The required region between two horizontal lines. So area equal to integral 1 to 4. This is up curve. Means xy equal to 8. That means x equal to 8 by y. 8 by y. Up curve. This is up curve. This is down curve. Y equal to x square. From this, x square equal to y. From this, x equal to root y. Because 1 to 4 are the y limits. 1 to 4 are the y limits. That's why the curve converted in terms of y. Root y dy. 8 by y. 8 log y. Limits 1 to 4 minus root y 2 by 3 y root y over the limits 1 to 4. Now 8 log 4 minus 8 is constant, so 8 log 4 minus log 1 is 0, so log 4, that's enough, minus 2 by 3 into, substitute upper limit 4 into 2 8 minus lower limit 1, so that becomes 7, so that 4 can be written as a 2 square, so that is 16 log 2 minus 8 minus 1 is 7, 7 into 2 14 by 3. So 16 log 2 minus 14 by 3, both option is the right answer. A very simple question. It takes only 2 or 3 minutes. Simply we get the answer. There is another method also, second method. So how to solve with respect to x-axis? If you are going that, x varies from 1 to 2. Here, integral 1 to 2. Look here, convert into in terms of x square, y equal to x square. But 1 to 2, x square minus this line is y equal to 1. So, minus 1 dx. Plus, that means from 1 to 2, this only. We have to calculate this 2 to 8 also. Integral 2 to 8, this curve. Convert into in terms of x, y equal to 8, y equal to 8 by x. So 8 by x dx. You simplify this, definitely we get the same answer. There is no change in that. So you can calculate area with respect to y, with respect to x. With respect to y means the region must be lie between two horizontal lines. with respect to x means between two vertical lines, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 2, x equal to 8. So this area can be calculated in two methods. These two are easy. With respect to y is somewhat simple. Okay. Let m equal to 2 by 2 matrix sin power 4 theta minus 1 minus sin square theta 1 plus cos square theta cos power 4 theta, that is given as alpha I plus beta m inverse. Alpha and beta are functions in theta. Alpha star equal to minimum of alpha theta, theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Beta star is minimum of beta of theta, theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Then we have to find alpha star plus beta star, that value. First we have to find m inverse. M inverse is adjoint a by det a, adjoint m by det m. Now find det m. Solution. Det m equal to sin power 4 cos power 4 theta, sin power 4 theta, cos power 4 theta, AD minus BC plus 1 plus sin square theta into 1 plus cos square theta. After multiplication we get multiplication of this 1 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta cos square theta. That is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. So we get 2 plus sin square theta cos square theta plus sin power 4 theta cos power 4 theta. That can be written as sin power sin square theta cos square theta det m equal to here 2 plus 1 by 4 sin square 2 theta plus 1 by 16 sin square 2 theta, sin power 4 2 theta. Now here taking LCM 16 sin power 4 2 theta plus 4 sin square theta plus 32. So det m equal to 1 by 16 into 16 LCM, we are taking sin power 4 theta plus 4 2 theta plus 4 sin square 2 theta plus 32. That is nothing but det m equal to 1 by 16 sin square 2 theta plus 2 whole square. After expansion, we get constant 4, but here 32, balancing that equation plus 28. That is mod m, det m. Now, look here. Alpha I plus beta m inverse. M inverse is adjoint a by det a. Comparing both sides, alpha I means alpha 0, 0 alpha plus alpha I is that, plus beta m inverse, that means beta m inverse is det m into adjoint m is interchange these two and sign change d minus b minus c a, that is cos power 4 theta minus of that is 1 plus sin square theta, this one minus 1 minus cos square theta, that is sin power 4 theta equal to m. M means that. Compare both sides. This part, first row second element, that is beta by det m into 1 plus sin square theta equal to minus 1 minus sin square theta, which implies 1 plus sin square theta, both sides cancel, we get beta equal to minus det m, that equal to minus 1 by 16 into sine square, this one, sine square 2 theta whole square, sine square 2 theta plus 2 whole square plus 28. We want minimum of that, beta star, we want beta star. Beta star is minimum of beta theta. Minimum of beta star equal to minimum of beta. Minimum of beta is, that is always, look here, minus, that means minus 28, sine square 2 theta plus 2. So here, minimum sine square 2 theta plus 2 is always greater than or equal to 2. Beta star is minimum of beta. Minimum of beta, but here negative is there. So minimum of beta, that means you have to take the maximum of sine square 2 theta. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 square 9, 9 plus 28, 37, minus 37 by 16. So beta star equal to minus 37 by 16. Now we want alpha star. Alpha star is minimum of alpha theta. Okay. So first of all, you have to find alpha. How to find alpha? Look here. Here beta is minus det m. So minus 1 alpha equal to beta is minus det m. Cancel, we get minus alpha minus cos power 4 theta equal to m, that is sin power 4 theta, equating. So alpha equal to sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. That is nothing but sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. That is 1 minus 1 by 2 sin square 2 theta. So now we want alpha star. Alpha star is minimum of alpha. Alpha is a function in theta. Minimum of alpha, but here minus is there. So you have to take maximum of sin square 2 theta. Whatever the minimum of sin square theta is actually minus 1. But here alpha minimum we want. Minus is there. That's why you have to take the maximum of sin square 2 theta. That is maximum of sin square 2 theta is 1. 1 minus 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2. So sum of these two, alpha star plus beta star, that is 1 by 2 minus 37 by 16. 1 by 2 means that is 8 by 16. 8 minus 37. 8 minus 37 minus 29 by 16. So that value is minus 29 by 16. That is option A. Next question. A line y equal to mx plus c intersects the circle x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square equal to 25 at P and Q. If the midpoint of PQ x coordinate is minus 3 by 5, then correct option we have to identify that. So one circle is given, one line is given, one circle, a line cuts the circle in the points P and Q. It is the center of the circle. Center of the circle is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. Now it is y equal to mx plus c. PQ equation is y equal to mx plus c. Its midpoint M, C, M. That is M y coordinate is minus x coordinate is minus 3 by 5. If you substitute minus 3 by 5, y equal to mx plus 1. The line y equal to mx plus 1. So x equal to minus 3 by 5. So y equal to 1 minus 3m by 5. That is y coordinate. So, you know C coordinate center and M midpoint of PQ in terms of M. PQ slope is M, so CM slope is minus 1 by M. Slope of CM equal to minus 1 by M. Slope of CM equal to minus 1 by M. Because the line slope is M, CM is perpendicular to that. So CM slope is minus 1 by M. You can find CM slope, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That means 1 minus 3m by 5 plus 2 by minus 3 by 5 minus 3 equal to minus 1 by m, which implies 2 plus 1 3, 3 into 5 15 minus 3m by minus 3 minus 15 equal to minus 1 by m. Now we are taking common minus 3 and minus 18 cross multiplication 15m, okay, 15 minus 3m, 15 2 1 plus 2 3, 15 minus 3m. Now here 3 common and cancel that, minus 3 taking common, m minus 5 by minus 18 equal to minus 1 by m. Minus cancel, 3 cancel 6 times. Cross multiplication, m square minus 5m equal to minus 6. Minus 6 take this side, plus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, m equal to 2r3. The slope, line slope, m equal to 2r3. 2r3 lie in which option? Verify that. It's very simple question. 2r3. 2 do not satisfy this inequality. 4, 6, wrong. This one, 2r3 not belongs to this. This one, 2, 3, no. This is the right answer. Check that. 2 less than or equal to m less than 4, 3 is less than 4, 2 equal to 2 is there. So this is the right answer. Here it's a very simple question. The concept is m1 m2 equal to minus 1 concept only. Simple concept. Question. Let S be the set of all complex numbers z such that z minus 2 plus I greater than or equal to root 5 if 1 by mod z naught minus 1 is maximum of the set z belongs to S, 1 by z minus z. Z is a number, z is a complex number which satisfy this equation, satisfy this inequality. It is a circle. It represents a circle. Outside the circle having center 2 minus 1, center 2 minus 1, radius root 5. The set of all points outside or on the circle having center 2 minus 1, radius root 5. Now we draw a circle. On that point, here mod z naught minus 1 is maximum. That means mod z naught minus 1 is minimum. Draw a circle having center 2 minus 1, radius root 5. Okay, this is center 2 minus 1. Let us verify that. Let us verify the circle equation is origin satisfy that. So it passing through origin like this. Okay, it is 2 minus 1, 2. This is 2 minus 1. This is minus 1. Okay. Now z naught minus 1 is minimum. Actually 1 by z naught minus 1 is maximum. That means z naught minus 1 is minimum. Minimum means that satisfy the point 1. 1 means 1 is a complex number that represents the point 1 0. 1 0 is the point this 1 0. It is 2 minus 1. 2 it is 2. It is 1. 1 0 lie on x axis. Now we have to find a point on the circle which is nearest to that point, which is nearest to this point. Definitely that is this point 1 comma 1, that is Z0. That is Z0. 1 satisfy. Let us check that. 1 plus I satisfy that. Minus 1 plus 2I, modulus is root 5. So Z0 is 1 1. 1 1 means 1 plus I. Z0 bar is 1 minus I. Now here let us verify. Z0 plus Z0 bar 4 minus of Z0 plus Z0 bar whole divided by Z0 minus Z0 bar plus 2I. Simplify this. That is equal to Z0 plus Z0 bar is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 by Z0 minus Z0 bar, that is 2I. 2I plus 2I, 4I. That is nothing but 1 by 2I. 1 by 2I is minus I by 2. Minus I by 2. Minus I by 2. That is nothing but 0 comma minus 1 by 2. So argument of this imaginary part is, it is purely imaginary and imaginary part is less than 0. So that point is lie on y-axis. That point is lie on y-axis. Negative y-axis. That to y-axis, negative y-axis. So argument is minus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 is the right answer. It's very simple question. We can easily identify that. So answer is option A. It is part 1 video of 2019 JEE Advanced, some questions in section A. So we can easily answer the questions. Actually in IIT Advanced, for each paper 18-20 questions may be there, I think. So we can easily identify the easy questions. First you spend some time identify that questions, and third time you spend on that in each subject. Definitely you get a good rank in IIT. Thank you my dear students.